from my poetry book, Midnight Matinee. Title of this poem is The Sound of the Thedfoslleb. There is a fountain where a certain musical, mystical bird, the Thedfoslleb, gather to drink. No one knows the bird's origin. No one knows the fountain's liquid nature, its clandestine hole. They gather to drink and dip one after the other, like the shifting of ebony and ivory along a blackened pool, silhouetting a grand piano. Each musical key sinks its scissor-like beak, and each note rings silently, vibrating someone's name. The song is one of deafness. No one hears it. No one knows when one will leave the fountain and fly to you, dribbling some of the black pool where you are, the pool that sleeps, the pool that casts no shadow. Footnote to this poem is Thedfoslleb backwards is bells of death.